If you Google Africa, you won't see our village. Life as a child under the steam is hard, and hard to explain if you weren't born here. Our community is hidden in an unseen valley, under the steam from the wealth of the community and surrounds us. Life in Durban is great for people who can afford everything and for tourists, but for children in my community, life is hard.
Life for a child in my community, it is hard.
Some of them live in one-room shacks. When there's rain, the water come through the inside the house.
Some children, most of them are boys, and because they don't have the knowledge of God, they end up taking drugs and killing people.
Some households, the mother is not working, the father is not working, the child can't afford to go to school, so the child ends up sitting at home and doing nothing, and then the future of that child is gone.
For a child to see those things, it's gonna affect the child when the child grows up.
This is the day in the life for one of us. We have to walk far to get water. We have to cook for ourselves. We do our own laundry. Options for us kids when we grow up aren't that great. There are children-headed households and even child dying of HIV and AIDS. To increase our chances, we take schoolwork very serious. Education is so important, but the yearly fees are too much for many of us to pay. Our community is called Jamaica, but there is also Country, Boxwood, and others. Death is common here. We bury our friends, our neighbors, and sometimes our parents. Most of the time, we aren't able to grieve because life just moves on. This is our 1.5 beds. This is our new bathroom. This is our market. This is our school bus. We pass many things on the way to school. There never seemed to be any hope down the road until someone told us that our voices could be heard, that our voices mattered, that it was in our voices that we carry the sound of hope.
There are many provinces here in South Africa, but God chose Durban because He saw that that His children are struggling here in Durban. So He sent Key of Hope to come here in Durban and help us out.
God does many things through Key of Hope.
God brought Key of Hope here because many kids felt left out in everything, and they thought no one cared about them. Like their parents fight every day and get drunk. But when Key of Hope came around, most of the kids are now happy and they feel like they are being loved.
When we're going to camp, some children experience something different, something they never feel at home.
Many kids never knew God before Key of Hope came. They come for like games and candies, but they end up knowing more about God.
I think God uses Key of Hope to help children who have no uniform, no money to pay for school fees.
When we are hungry, we go with Him.
Food, clothes.
Key of Hope helps mothers get birth certificates so that they can get some income through grant money and all that stuff to support their families.
To the children who know God and have the desire to follow Him, it's much fun for them because God finds a way to make sure that they have everything they need.
Key of Hope is like the PowerPoint of some children, because when they come to Key of Hope, they feel all the love because there's all the adults. So if, like Lorenzo said, when they don't have a mother or father, they find a mother, they find a father at Key of Hope. No one is like, no one is different from each other. We all love each other. We like this big family that helps each other, just like that. So when Key of Hope helps them, they have a brighter future.